Hi everybody, I'm Peppa Pig. Construction going on at my house, and it looks so much fun to play in. Whippy! Oh no, I'm stuck. Help! Here come the construction machines, and they're ready to work, but they see Peppa Pig in there, so they need to help rescue her. Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, come and see what Peppa did. You're safe, Peppa.
This time we got Peppa Pig's airplane. Let's take a look at the back. This is what you can get. Let's take a look at the side. You can see Peppa Pig again. And these can move. So let's open it up. Here's the airplane and the luggage right here. This is the luggage here. You get two pieces. And Peppa Pig right here. And the airplane, which is you can open the doors. And so now she's ready for her holiday. And so I have to tell you, the back opens up as well.
Finally done packing. I'm going to stuff everything in my suitcase. I'm all done. Let's see if George is ready. I'm so excited for our trip. Yay! George, are you finished packing? Yes. But George, where are your clothes? Toys. But George, you can't take only toys with you on our holiday. Toys. You should put some clothes. Mommy Pig won't be happy when she sees that you only have toys. Toys. Remember what I told you. I'm all done. I'm going to go take my suitcases downstairs. Make sure you're ready. Okay. Remember, pack clothes too, George. Done. George, looks like you're all done. Let's go. Mommy and Daddy Pig are ready. We're set to go.
Are we ready for the holiday, family?
Yes. I wonder where Grandpa Pig is.
Don't worry, he's coming.
There you are, Grandpa Pig. Thanks for coming to pick us up. Thank you, Grandpa Pig.
Now we're ready to board. You kids hop aboard and I will load all the luggage. You too, Mommy Pig.
Latch secure.
Are we ready for takeoff, family?
Yes, we are!
Welcome to Hawaii, guys. Here's your lei. Welcome to Hawaii, George.
Dinosaur. I don't need a lei, I already have one on my dress.
Welcome to Hawaii, everybody.
Come on, guys, let's get our luggage and go to our hotel. Let's go, guys. It's time to unpack your luggage, kids, and get ready to go down to the beach.
Yay!
George, all you packed was toys?
Toys.
George, what are we gonna do?
Toys.
You're going to have to wear some of Peppa Pig's clothes.
Toys. But Mommy, he can't wear my clothes. Those are for girls.
Well, I don't have any other clothes for him. We're gonna have to go shopping then.
I'm here with Mickey Mouse. He's going to be our guide, our tour guide for a safari. And he's all ready to go. He's got his backpack, his flashlight. And he's here with the Peppa Pig family. We've got Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, and George. We're ready to roll. The first part of the jungle includes a lion, a duck pond with an alligator, and a giraffe. Here is Chompy, the alligator, and our little dog. Hello, little dog. Mommy Pig, get back in the truck. It's time to go. Stay with us. Mommy, can we pet the giraffe? Stay back, just be gentle. In this part of the Gulf, dinosaurs roam. Whoa, my favorite creature, dinosaurs. Mommy, can I take one home? I would, George. Look what the monkey has done. He hung himself on the truck with his tail. It's time for us to go. We've had such a good time on the safari. A lizard can say hello and goodbye. Hi kids. We have Peppa Pig and Mommy Pig with us. Spider-Man. So let's go ahead and take a picture of everybody. We're gathered here for Dora's birthday party. And we're going to be making a birthday cake out of Play-Doh. So stay tuned with us as we celebrate and sing happy birthday to Dora. That was easy. Here's the first layer of our cake we're going to set down on our tray. Here's our second layer. Let's go ahead and set it down on our cake. We need one more layer. Let's get rolling. Here is our third layer. We're going to set it down on top. So here is our beautiful birthday cake. We need to decorate it now. We're going to add heart shapes on the sides of the cake. We're also going to add ribbons to our little bow. We've made such a beautiful cake. Now it's time to make some cookies. We're going to take our mold and press in Play-Doh to make lots of different shaped cookies. But use our sparkly Play-Doh top to display all our cookies. It's a great tray. And here it is. We have a gorgeous tray of cookies of all colors and shapes. We're ready for our party. Here comes Mommy Pig. She's the first to arrive. She's followed by Peppa Pig. Here comes Caillou. Hi Dora. Hi Caillou. Happy birthday to you. Hello Kitty is next. She's come to the party. Hi everybody. Hi Dora. Happy birthday to you. Quack, quack, quack. Hi everybody. Donald Duck in the house. Happy birthday Dora. Hi everybody. Last but not least is Spider-Man. Hi everybody, I'm Spider-Man. Happy birthday Dora. It's a surprise from Tinkerbell. She's come to wish Dora happy birthday. Hi everybody, a very special and happy birthday to you Dora. Well thank you Tinkerbell and thanks everybody. Hi everyone, I'm Susie Sheep. Sorry I'm late. Happy birthday, Dora. Let's take a picture of everybody. It's time to sing happy birthday. Well, that's it for us, kids. Thanks so much for watching. It's been so much fun having you along. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Bye!